Hello guys, you're welcome again to another beautiful tutorial. Today I am going to show you how you can create a stunning liquid text reveal in After Effects. So support me on this one, hit the like button on the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, do not forget to turn on the notification bell, then come back, let's get started. Create a new composition. Name your composition. I'm going to leave this at 1920 by 1080 frame resolution. I'm going to go with 30 frames per second and then the composition duration to 10 seconds in total. Then hit OK. Right click on your timeline, go to new and then add a new text layer. Align your text to center. Right click on your text and then pre-compose. I'm going to call this text holder. This way you can always go back and make a change and change your text or even add a logo. By the way, if you want the project file, leave a comment in the comment section and I'll send you a link to download the project file. You can make use of this for your personal and commercial use. So now we need to bring in a color template that is going to guide us. So I'm going to put this right above right here. Then I will lock it on the timeline. Select the pen tool, create a rectangle shape, set the fill to a color, any color of your choice, and then set stroke to none. Expand the shape layer properties, go to this part right here, then move your time indicator to 0 and then create a keyframe for the part. I'm going to move these shapes like this. Then move your time indicator to 4 seconds forward in time. And then move up the shapes like this. Then move your time indicator to 8 seconds forward in time. And move the shapes points like this. If you play this right now, this is what you have. Beautiful. Hit U on your keyboard to reveal all the keyframes. Select all the keyframe, right click, keyframe assistant, and then easy ease. Now go to effect and preset and search for wave warp. Drag and drop it onto your shape layer. Let's make some changes to these parameters on the effects and control. Set the height to 35 and set the width to 250, the wave speed to 0.8. We need to set our first color for the shape. Select the shape layer fill color right here. Select the eyedropper and then set a color from your color palette. Move the text composition above the shape layer, then go to your track matte and then set it to alpha matte. Select your shape layer and your text composition, then Ctrl D on your keyboard to duplicate them. Then I'm gonna set the new duplicated shape layer color again. I'll select the fill, the eyedropper, and then set my second color. Then select the shape layer again and the text composition. Ctrl D on your keyboard to duplicate it one more time. Then I'm going to select the shape layer again and then set my third color. I'm going to offset each of these duplicates of the shape layer and the text layer by 5 frames each. Now select the last top text composition layer and the shape layer and duplicate it one more time. Now select the shape layer in that and go to effect and preset, search for CC bubbles. Drag and drop the effect onto the shape layer. Now let's make some changes to the parameters for the CC bubbles. Set bubble amount to 250. Set bubble size to 2. Go to effect and preset again. Tap in fill. Add a fill effect. Let's change the fill color. Select the eyedropper pen here and choose from the color palette right here. Beautiful. Now let's hide our color palette for the time being. If you preview this now, this is what we have. Beautiful. Now let's add more elements to the animation. I'm going to add some fishes swimming through the text. You can add any element of your choice to match what you are doing. So I have some video assets right here that I'm going to import. Let's name these fishes. Drag your new element onto the composition icon right here to create a new composition out of it. We don't need all of these footages here, so I'm going to trim that down. Go back to your main composition, then select the fish composition and drop it above all other layers. Go to Effect and Preset and search for Key Light. Drag and drop it onto the fish composition. Select the screen color and take out the green. I'm gonna hit S on my keyboard to scale this down a bit. Switch to the project manager window, bring in the text holder right above the fish composition. Then make sure you align this to set like this, and then set the fish composition track matte to the text above it. Select the fish tank layer, hit T on your keyboard to reveal the opacity property. Move your time indicator to about this point and set a keyframe, and then move your time indicator again to about this point and create another keyframe. Then move your time indicator to the beginning of the fish composition and set the opacity to 0. Move toward the end of this and also set the opacity to 0. I'm gonna reorder this top 2 layer, the fish layer, and bring it below the bubble layer. That way the bubbles will show on the fish. Now right click on your timeline, go to new. Let's create a new solid layer for the background. I'm gonna name this BG and then set comp size and then hit OK. Go to Effect and Preset, tap in Fill for the fill effect. Apply it to the solid layer. Drag and bring it below all layers in the timeline. Select the eyedropper tool right here and set a color. Let's go with the dark of this color. Right about this point is okay. Select the BG layer, Ctrl D on your keyboard to duplicate it again. Now go to the CC bubble layer, copy the CC bubbles and then paste it into your duplicated background. I'm gonna set the color to about something like this. I'm gonna set the bubbles amount to 100. That is it, guys. This is how to create a liquid text reveal in After Effects. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button. This will help the algorithm suggest this video to more people. Until I see you again on the next one, my name is SSB Otaru for Motion Digit Studios.